name's Zara, and I'm going to tell you about my llama. I like her because she can make noises with this button and talk. And I like her because she's fluffy. And I also like her because she copies what I say. And when someone says hello, and then the other person says hi, and then the person, and then my llama says, okay, bye-bye, when I want to say it. And then I like her because I like her eyes, and I like that we could put new batteries in it, but we tried, but they didn't work. So we're maybe gonna try again or use the batteries again. Does anybody, thank you for listening, does anybody have any questions? Yes?
I like your llama.
Yes?
Does your llama have a name?
Yes.
What is it?
Lily.
Thank you.
Or you could ask how fluffy she is.
How fluffy is she?
So fluffy.
Can I pet her?
Yes.
Thank you.